This is, wow, the grill. No, this is grill actually. Yeah, this is our grill.
We're just clearing out
Cheers.
our way to get to the street.
Yeah.
This is what we have to
Yeah,
do.
you can see the amount of snow. It's almost 17 inch. Not almost, it's more than 17 inch. And it's right. It's only 12 in noon, and it's gonna pile up until I guess 6 or 7 p.m. So
And it's
see.
still gonna snow till 7 o'clock.
Yeah.
So.
Alright, let me see how the driveway looks like. Okay, that's our, yeah, one car. Wow, and you can see Route 50, Arlington Boulevard.
Look at our stopping.